And we can get a tank tail. Original parts. Oh, it has an older fill out. This is an older one, so I guess it was worth getting. Older ones are not very common. No date. '00. Woodmaster Kohler, an older 400 Look how slow it is. I'm gonna just try this. That's interesting. It pulls air from the top and the sides. I've never seen a hand dryer like this. Come on. There's two water lines again. Same water line. When? I'm doing it up to the overflow tube. I'm not waiting for it to fall up again. Okay, I'm flushing it now. Here we go. So again, this may be boring, but I don't know if I have one of these with the old logo. And it all orange. Yeah, I know my mom got one, but I don't know if I did. So I'm just recording this for just in case. Not waiting for it to fall up again. It has that weird connection on the side. That's it.